In this module, we're going to learn how to read a Forex quote. So the Forex prices are quoted in different currency pairs. And they are always 4 decimal places. For example, Euro USD can be written like 1.3244. The currency on the left is called the base currency. So this is the base currency, and the currency on the right, left is the base currency. The right currency is called the counter currency. So this is your base and this is your counter. The base currency value is always 1, and the counter currency is what is written on the right. So for example, in this the value of the euro is 1, and for 1 euro you will get 1.3244 US dollars. Now, depending on which side you're on, if you're purchasing one base currency, then you would have to pay 1.3244 US dollars to get that 1 euro. However, if you are on the selling side, then you would have to receive or pay 1 euro to get the 1.3244, selling the 1 euro. Now, it is important to note that the currency rate always fluctuates every hour, every day, every second. And anytime the currency can either weaken or strengthen against other currency. So this is the terminology used when we talk about the exchange in foreign exchange currencies. So if the Euro USD, for example, moves from 1.3244, so let's do this, 1.3244 to 1.3287, so the euro has strengthened against the USD, because now you will have to give more USD to get 1 euro, or you would receive more USD than before. So now this is strengthening against the USD. And on the opposite is true. If the rate becomes from 1.3244 to 1.3, for example, 3100, that means the euro has weakened against the US dollar.